Yo, what's going on, YouTube? I got y'all boys with another method, and basically this method is an Amazon method, and scammers are making 10,000 a month doing this shit. So I'm finna put y'all boys on real quick. All y'all, and before I get into this method, I want y'all to like and subscribe with post notifications on. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway once I hit 3,000 subscribers. I'm gonna be doing a $100 giveaway. All you gotta do is like and subscribe with post notifications on, and follow my Instagram at Speckify with 3 Y's. It'll be in the description, and that's all you gotta do. $100 giveaway. But look, basically what you wanna do is you wanna go to Amazon, right? Make a new account, and then you wanna type in PC. Alright, you want to type in PC, iPhone, whatever you want to get. Okay, so you add it to your cart, you get it. Then whenever it comes to your house, you contact Amazon, say that it didn't arrive or some shit. Then you're gonna get a refund, and then just rinse and repeat. Keep doing that. You can get a new iPhone, you can get whatever you want, and then just sell it on Facebook Marketplace, offer up, sell it on eBay, and just rinse and repeat. Do it like 2 or 3 times on one account. Make a new account and keep doing it. But I'd recommend to use a VPN and try to switch up the addresses every once and then. Try to change up the addresses and shit. But basically, yeah, that's really all you gotta do. Like shit, I literally been doing this shit. Look, I literally did it myself. Even posted a video about it. See right here. Did it right here. See, I got some 4s. Like, got an iPhone. Like, literally did that shit. And the 4s already came too. And I got a refund on them bitches already. But yeah, just keep doing it. Just get whatever you want. Make a new account. Do it 2 or 3 times. Make a new account. Use a VPN. Change up the addresses and you're good. Sell it on Facebook Marketplace, whatever you want to. I got y'all boys. And make sure to like and subscribe for more methods and shit, because I'm finna be posting more, because I got y'all boys. Just turn on post notifications. That's really all you gotta do. And if y'all want more fetch rewards method, I bought a method, I got y'all. Timu method. Just let me know whatever y'all want. Alright, just let me know whatever y'all want, and I got y'all. Alright, like and subscribe with post notifications on, and peace out.